This is Bob with Film the Police, and it looks like they got a whole bunch of cops here. Hey, what's going on? What? Happy Sing Bar. Why is all this? I know. Huh? Well, if I did, would you trim it?
I'm not a professional, so I can't guarantee.
So what happened? A shooting? When was that? Really? Huh. That's unrelated. No, but this is more interesting. Yeah, I noticed the gang unit parked up over there. How you doing?
Mr. West? Can I drive?
I'm hoping not. So someone over there's lucky. Well, if one person says they had the green light and the other person said they had a green light, you have a whole line of cops right here. No, but I'm sure you heard it. You didn't? Hey, alright, how's it going?
Cannot complain, man.
Did he survive?
Yeah, we're all gonna survive.
Yeah, okay, cool.
We'll prevail.
Huh?
We'll prevail.
Yeah. So a gang unit comes out to all the shootings now. This is the Happy Sing Bar and Grill. Two people are definitely not happy today. You guys heading out?
Yeah, I'm gonna break away.
Yeah, I don't want to run over Bob.
We're about done, but
to help him out here.
All right. I'll step over to this side. So that gang unit's moving out. He's moving out. I see it. Now you know how many extra views I would have got if he would have hit that police car right there backing out? So that's cool. So this looks like this is over with. So, this is Bob from the police signing off. Alright, you guys have a good night.